here. We got Dr. Adit with us. He's going to Germany. So Dr. Sahab, बताइए, why you want to go to Germany?
Because I want to research ahead. I want to do surgery, which is very good in Germany because of their robotics. Plus, in India, the working hours are way too long and they are very less compensated. And I feel that there is an issue with the treatment protocols being in place sometimes or sometimes not being in place. Due to all these reasons, I plan to pursue my further studies in Germany.
Doctor, you came to connect with me how long back?
May of last year.
May of last year. Because we give you a small brief about Doctor. Doctor completed MBBA from Jigmar. He came in connect with me sometime last year and he's on the verge of going to Germany. Most of his paperwork and everything is over. And hopes so much is verification. He should be going to Germany very soon. Doctor, from your side, you tell me now what the difficulties you found during the process and what you can suggest other doctors who are looking to go to Germany with whatever experience you have gained through this.
Till now, the most difficult process was actually choosing the person whom we can trust to send us to Germany to, because after that, sir has been very, very helpful and every step has been very, very properly explained and there has been no problem. Even when sir has been busy and could not return a call, he himself reached out to us. So he did ask me to say all this. I just have felt that till now it has been like very, very friendly. And he's a friend first, with mutual respect, which I think goes a long way.
We are more like a family. I know sir, Doctor's father also very much taking in me. So it's more like a family connect than anything commercial.
Yeah, we have become family because of the way sir has dealt with all the issues we have had, and I think that's a very good partnership.
Yes, so we will be following Dr. Adit's journey to Germany also, and I wish you all the best, doctor. Like, keep working hard and hope to meet him again in Germany. What I can tell you, every doctor, is that you see German party, you have to be patient. You have to be patient in the entire system. Doctor has done most of his work in India, and they are just waiting for the paperwork to be done from the German people. So as such, apparent, our responsibilities are over, doctor responsibilities are over. What are we supposed to do? He has completed it. It's just a matter of keeping patient so that we can take it from there. Fine. We were lovely connecting with all of you and we love you all. Doctor, I wish you all the best. Cheers. चलो, आज गले मिलो. Yeah.